The Surface Pro 3. Is it still good in 2020? Well, let's find out. Alright, I'm just gonna come out and say it. The Surface Pro 3 is still good in 2020 as a laptop. Now, what I'm about to say is applicable to all the Surface Pros, even the new generations. You know these detachable keyboards? How it claims to be a tablet as well? Don't buy into that. Do not buy into that. You know why? Because tablet mode in this device, it sucks. There's hardly any apps on the Microsoft Store. Hardly anything. You're better off running this as a laptop with a pen. Just look at it that way. Alright, let's get down to some FPV action and I'll show you how this thing still operates. Let me just start with showing you a bit of just the usual Office application. So Excel, and you have your Word and perhaps even OneNote. Alright, open a blank document. All good. Excel. No, it's all fine. For your daily office processing, it's thumbs up, okay? So I think I bought this back in 2014. And back then, I didn't have this. This was my main computer. And at the time, I thought, oh, this two-in-one technology is great, right? I can use it as an iPad if I wanted to. But over the years, I find that I've been using this as a laptop for pretty much 95% of the time. Hardly use the tablet mode because it's just not that great. Now, the main issue I have with tablet mode is that it doesn't really operate like an iPad or an Android tablet because of the lack of apps. I have to go through everything via Chrome. Chrome browser is essentially my app drawer here. If you want to watch YouTube, go here. Alright, if you want to, I don't know, Google Photos, Netflix, you know, it does the job. It's pretty good. It's not bad. Let's just open a video, for example. You know, it works. Photos works as well. YouTube, smooth, right? Very smooth. Okay. Bit of Warcraft 3 action, old school. Okay, now I have Netflix and Amazon Prime app. That's all I got. Let me show you Netflix app and the reason why I don't use it. See how slow it is? Oh, Cobra Cry. Okay. Let's start the video. See how it's loading still? Look how slow this is. It's barely usable. Look, I'm not gonna wait. I'm not even gonna bother. So basically, this is all I have to say about tablet mode. Like I said from the very start, this is meant to be a PC and not a tablet. Now the pen, however, is great. I'll show you some tips and tricks of what I actually do with the pen and how I can make it, I guess, more tablet friendly. So say you're on the phone and you need to quickly write down a phone number or something. Press once, OneNote comes out. You write down number, whatever. Drop down your text, done. So let me show you how I set up my pen. I have click once for OneNote, double click to snip and sketch, basically grab the screen and can write on it and save it, and then press and hold to launch Google Chrome. And the reason why I set this to Google Chrome is for the reasons I said earlier. So watch this, press and hold, goes to Google Chrome. Let me just dismiss that. And this is your apps. This is your app drawer, essentially. You know, for the stuff I use, Facebook. Here we go, right? News. And then if I want to take a screenshot, double click. Now I can go 70 new COVID cases, blah blah blah, you know, do whatever and save. To be frank, I pretty much use it for word processing, checking emails, you know, surfing the net, watching videos, and that's about it. I don't do any video editing because I use my iMac, or even photo editing. You know, if you're looking for something that's powerful, maybe this is not for you. You know, if you want something you can do 4K video editing, I don't think, this will cope very well. In fact, when I first started doing YouTube, I was editing my video on this, and it was so bad that I went out and bought an iMac. If you're looking for a tablet experience, if you've got a main computer, don't get the Surface, right? Do yourself a favor, don't get the Surface. A tablet would be much better in terms of media consumption, you know, quick access to all these different apps that you have. It's just a more convenient, quick device. You can just switch it on and go. But if you don't have a computer and you're looking to get one, Surface is definitely the way to go. You have the computer and I guess the versatility of an tablet. But really, at the end of the day, it's still meant to be a PC. You know, you use it as a PC. If you really want the tablet experience, go for iPad Pro. You know, nothing can beat that for a full tablet experience. If you want something in between the middle with a tablet focus, but also PC-like interface as well as an option, get the Samsung Tab S7 Plus. The DeX mode on it is phenomenal. But for me, I don't know. Still deciding whether it's worth the upgrade. Alright, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.